TikTok keeps deleting my videos because I hope this one saves because I'm gonna go crazy. So let's start Glenda Floyd before we go to Ndlozi. Umalema Utubana Floyd has never contested to be a president. Would you remember it's not up to me for him to be a president. He can contest to be a president. People vote for who they want to be the president. Yeah, but Uti so he chose a coward move. He chose a coward move by wanting to go to greener pastures. Uti, that's not how it works. Yeah, you don't say just because your baby Forum Zegelo doesn't do the things that you want if you have a baby because EFF it's his baby, and then you choose to leave. Uti, you work it out. You talk it out. You find solutions. You say, okay, the responsibilities that I have understand, I'd like to have more. You don't just decide to go. Yeah, so Uti, he chose a coward move. And Uti, and we should always respect the constitution, which is the constitution. It talks about betrayal. Waifunda ke 6 point don't Otubana, you shouldn't betray. You should not betray the organization. Yeah, but and Uti leaving and choosing to jump ships is betrayal. Yeah. Then, Kulenda Okandlos, he did not mention him by name, but this is definitely a Jeb Ndlozi. And I think he did mention Umfazi Gandlos. Umfazi Gandlos Umoncho. He did mention, I think Umoncho, Floyd posted some Lanto Iteobana, the most sound decision ever. Then Umoncho liked that post. So Utumalema, just because you are quiet when people around you, they speak volume about how you are feeling. And would also it's red flags that Abantu would be attacking your home, your family, and you are quiet. And I've been saying this, Undlozi has been too quiet. Uti when you are quiet, a well-known Twitter. We are tweet, we are Ziwa, you've got following, and you are quiet. You are not saying where you stand. You are not defending your family. You are not defending the organization. Ut that clearly says where you stand. Uti so resign now, so that Caesars basisheke bangapi. Uthi don't wait for later, resign ngoku sizazi basishiyeke sibangaphi kule organization. Ntonto ayibendibambe amazinyo ke kule phanqomosi ayisibhat ke kubone sometimes you just need to rip the bandage. Uthi because thina apha sithi ubana sibanga kanti nina niyazazi uba nidlalela enye icala. Oh, then he also said ubana andithi Floyd Mos negotiations besenziwa nguye like the Gauteng Ntonton besenziwa nguye. It's the same thing that Panyaza said ukuthi la coalition banayo eGauteng, they were discussing that with the EFF deputy president. So uthi Malema yonke into ebisubmitha under Floyd, yonke into ebidecide under Floyd, it's dismantled ngoku. Qasalakile ngoku, kuyaqalelwa. And uthi zonke responsibility bezika Floyd zizawunziwa nguye ngoku. Zizawunziwa nguye. He feels like izinto you trust abantu sometimes izinto ubabeke esandleni sazabo and they do this, they betray you. Uti, this is not the first time this is happening to me. It has happened to me in ANC. Uti, those people were so close to me during that time and they betrayed me. Uti, this is not the first time. Uti, I've never betrayed anyone. Uti, I've defended the people that were close to me with my life. But now I'm asking myself a question ubana would they have done for me? Utawenza umzekelo wathi andaba ngibalo accuse ngoba urapela noma yingFloyd noma yingibani na. Uthi I didn't ask questions, I defended that not this person. Uthi I wonder if kwakuthiwe ndimowa yerapela would they have defended me na. Uthi these people ngabantu abendithi xa ndihleli nabo ndisela amanzi, drinking water or juice, leave my drink and go to the bathroom and leave it with them. That's how much I trusted them. Oh, hey. So uthi bana the battle, like the battleground has, like, it's really it's on. It's on. Uti anybody who attacks us, the organization fighters, don't have mercy. Yeah, and also he mentioned ubana whatever that is going on with the fighters, don't discuss into the social media. Whether you have a candidate, do not discuss that on social media. which is a good point. Because now it gives outside forces to infiltrate the organization. It gives outside forces to influence what's happening. We need to have still walls now. We need to be intact. That's why we need to know who's for us and who's against us. We need to know exactly the people that are for us so that we can, it never allowed to be bought. Sutengeka. It was hot. Hot. Oh! Anyway, guys, I think this is the last video. And then if I need to make more videos, I'll make them tomorrow. Like, Namdisanambit. CIC, he has said a lot. Yeah, but he has said so much. Don't allow the social media to kill this organization. Defend this organization, fighters. It depends on you. This is why I love CIC, yes. One thing I love about Malema will never talk to you actually with the same believe. If he was a businessman, he would sell something to you that you don't even need and you would buy it. Yeah, like, he's that guy. Yeah, but it doesn't matter who lives in this organization will never fall. Ebe venta, guys. He was really venting, guys. Ebe khupha wakhe, and he was passing a message kwabanye nabanye. Bathi abantu no Dalimpo ufuna ubuyahamba, makahambe naye ubuyahamba. Kwaze kwa tough, kwaze kwa tricky, kwaze kwa wow.